I feel like having a strawberry. Go for it.
Did you get put away?
Me either.
Aria?
You want cake, Aria?
Anna? Can you pick for them?
I don't know you.
Cut away.
I like the ice cream.
Mine's broken.
Pregnant!
You want this one? Big girls, you guys want?
I'm all these.
It's ice cream cake thing. You want ice cream cake?
Wipes.
Strider?
Not ready, yeah?
Yes, Auntie gave it to you, yeah?
Bree, say hi! Bree, say hi!
Bell.
Aiden, do you want some
Bell, you
brownies?
forgot to say happy birthday to you. Bell?
Honestly, how long shall we for?
Yeah, let's get
You and Annie together.
Let's get one back together.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Alexis, do you
Bree's
don't want
been
any
waiting
ice
for over like
cream?
30 seconds. Say
Hi.
hi! Hi!
Hi, everybody.
Say no thank you.
Wanna eat?
Yeah, you didn't eat
I
that, you
did.
guys.
You did.
Eat upstairs.
Let her eat ice cream.
It's on you again.
I ate 6 cupcakes.
Ice cream.
Wow, you ate a lot.
And one more.
How much cupcakes did you eat, Lex?
6.
The big one? This?
The big ones, yeah. Those.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You can eat like a lot. I see Coke can. I see another Coke can. Fanta, Fanta. Coke can. Fanta. iPhone.
You guys want some?
Horsey.
Yeah.
Where's the princess? Look, he's a princess.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi, love. Hello.
he doesn't look very happy.